Welcome eBayers, my name is Jess, I'm with Marine Connection. When they told me this morning that I was going to go out and do a video on a boat today, I walked outside and I seen this boat and I just said, that's just going to Mako my day. It's a 17-foot Mako. It's the real deal for a 17-foot boat. It's a high quality Mako back in the day when they built them right. It's got the 90 horsepower 4-cylinder on the back, the Evinrude. Great motor also. We'll show you on the water how great this boat runs. It's going to make someone a great little 17-foot center console fishing boat. Let's take a look around. On the front here, you can see you got a nice casting platform or seating area. Large storage area under here, which you'll see a little better in the pictures. Seat here, cushion. More storage underneath that. Let's take a look at the back of the boat. Here on the back of the boat, you have a bracket here for a kicker motor, or you could mount a trolling motor on there if you wanted to. You got your 90 horsepower Evinrude, storage on both sides, cooler seat, bimini top. You can see this boat is very simple and be very easy for someone to maintain, very easy to keep up. We'll show you how great it runs on the water. Let's fire it up. It started like that from day one and still starts like that. Great motor. Let's go for a run. Well, I've sure enjoyed showing you the 17-foot Mako. I told you it would Mako our day. Had a great time. It's going to make someone a great little center console boat. Runs great. Have a nice day and God bless.